Welcome to this tutorial. How to mount and burn ISO files. Are you struggling to open or use an ISO file on your Windows PC? Or maybe you've downloaded one and don't know what to do next. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to handle ISO files easily and quickly. So grab your ISO file and let's get started. Locate the ISO file on your PC. Right-click the ISO file. Select Mount from the context menu. A new virtual drive will appear in this PC. Double-click the new drive to open it. You can now run or explore the ISO contents. How to unmount the ISO file. Open this PC from File Explorer. Right-click the virtual DVD drive. Click Eject to unmount the ISO file. Alternative way to mount an ISO file using PowerShell. Click Start and search for PowerShell. Right-click and run it as an administrator. Type Mount-DiskImage-ImagePath /File.iso. Press Enter and the ISO will mount automatically. Open this PC to access the mounted drive. That's it. You now know how to mount and burn ISO files in multiple ways. Each method is easy, quick, and perfect depending on what you want to do. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.